Here's some straight talk from the Sunset Auto family. We've all seen the ads online and on TV.
10,000, 15,000, even 20,000 below MSRP now through Sunday ad. Well, you get the idea.
So, you go to the dealership and here it comes. They point out the itty-bitty fine print that the vehicle advertised is actually used. Maybe more than a couple of model years old with high miles and was a rental at some airport getting beat to death. But hey, they got you to the dealership. And now they're going to try to sell you something else. Oh!
And that's why the car biz has the reputation it has.
Sunset always tells the truth about pricing. All dealers pay the same from the factory. There's absolutely no competitive advantage in pricing or factory incentives. So it's not what you pay, it's what you get. And you just get more at Sunset. Like warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying vehicle. A Sunset exclusive. Now listen, if the price sounds too good to be true, trust me, it is. You just get more at Sunset, like the truth about pricing. And people do like that.